Good morning, everyone. We have a very busy day today. Excuse my laundry. I'm hanging up outside here at the European laundry. But today I'm going to...
laundry?
The European dryer. The European dryer. I'm going to walk to the house because this morning we are going to meet with the charity shop. Every village will have a local charity shop. So if you live here, if you have to donate anything, it's like a thrift store, church store. So they're going to come, take all of the smaller items first, and then I think come back a couple other days to take the bigger items. It's all donations. And then tonight we are meeting with another plumber. How do we find these workers? I literally speak to everyone.
Angie's List.
No, there is no such thing over here. It's just word of mouth. You have to constantly ask. And to be honest with you, if I can take my sunglasses off with the sun, I would say 90% of the people that we ask, they say, yeah, our whole job was a nightmare. So we steer clear away from that. And we take the 10% that say, oh, our workers are the best.
Maybe we need to create Jenny's List.
We'll see, right?
Okay.
We'll see what happens after this whole renovation project.
All right, see you at the house.
Pour m'attendre, je trouve ça, c'est très gentil, mais je trouve ça déplacé. Je veux pas exagérer. Voilà, c'est le mot.
Non, je comprends.
Oui,
April.
oui.
Okay.
Oui, comment vous allez faire?
Mange le fromage et profite de la France jusqu'à avril. Je sais pas.
Got some bad news. Start the morning. Here we are. We just got some bad news.
Teddy the Stone Magician, who's now nicknamed Teddy the One-Armed Mason because of his motorcycle accident. He's okay, but he has major injuries. He thought he could come in January. This morning he texted me. He's like, look, I'm so sorry, but I can't start till April.
That really puts us behind the eight ball because we have so much work to do before April that required him.
Because he's not just a mason. He does everything in the old school manner. He's an
ways.
artisan. Here in France, the masons aren't just masons. They're like contractors. They do a little everything. Teddy's not like that. He's just a mason. He just specializes in the rock work and the stone work. And we were going to do the lime plaster walls. So, all right, I'm supposed to go to the coiffeur.
You're supposed to go to the coiffeur, but we also have
hairdresser.
We're also having the local
the charity shop
come and take all of our furniture and all of our bits that we have around the house.
So it's as much French as Noah's trying to speak. I actually am more fluent, so I can talk to these people.
I throw a couple vous allez biens in there. We're all good.
All right, it's important to keep smiling. Keep the smiling.
All right, we'll figure it out, baby. Don't worry. I know you're upset about this Teddy situation, but we will figure it out. Trust me. There's a lot of people that are on our side, and they're helping us find people, so it's going to all work out.
We're just spending money on another rental because we thought the work would be getting done, so we're renting another place that's costing us money.
Right. Well, maybe we had more subscribers. We could fund this little jaunt around the French countryside. Yeah.
All right, so the adventure continues. Teddy agreed to let us use his demo equipment.
Yeah, that's amazing. Huh? What kind of great worker is that lets us use his
I'd rather wait the 4 months than rush.
Okay.
If you can start in April, let's do it. We'll just spend our time by doing whatever we can on the house and going to more dinner parties. That's it. Seeing if they can get this truck down this narrow driveway here. Well, while they're doing that, let's take a little look in the garden here. It's another beautiful day. You know, being from New York City, I can't take those deep breaths of fresh air ever, so this is a blessing over here. Here they come. They got it. They got it. Et voilà.
Before anyone can start the workday, we got to make sure and give them some cafe.
Cafe is essential. I made a major faux pas when we first rented our first house in France, and we had a sewer problem, and the plumber arrived, and his first thing to me was, avez-vous un café pour moi? Do you have a coffee for me? And I said, I'm so sorry, but our coffee machine is broken. And he says to me in French, I'll translate, well, you know, it's customary to offer a cafe. I was mortified. I said, I have some petite croissants and pain au chocolat. He said, okay.
He took it.
He took it. So now we always have the cafe ready.
That's it. I got the cafe now.
So what they're going to do is they're going to take all of this small stuff first, and then they're going to come back tomorrow to take like the big table, the couch.
Ces portes-là.
Pas, y a pas ça, mais les portes, oui.
Voilà.
Et
Ils ont
les portes, we take these doors.
le truc qui est là.
Toutes les choses ici, vous pouvez prendre. OK. Pas ça pour maintenant. J'aimerais venir un autre temps pour... Exactement.
Plus tard, ok.
Parce qu'il y a...
La petite table, on la laisse aussi.
Do you want to keep the table?
I would like, but
OK, so... pas ça.
pas ça, c'est pour plus tard.
OK. Pour plus tard, oui. Maintenant, ça. Vous pouvez prendre ça si vous voulez. Chantal m'a dit, oui, OK.
La plaque.
Oh oui,
La plaque
yeah.
aussi.
La plaque aussi. You could take the stove top.
Le frigo.
Le frigo, non.
Dishwasher?
Ça,
Oui.
OK. Vous êtes parfait pour ça. Nice
Ouais.
big man. Ah, vous parlez anglais. Just a little.
Les deux lits.
The 2 beds.
Enfin, tout ça, en fait.
Everything in that room is going.
Look it up.
C'est lourd.
No, just take a peek here. See?
It's a pool table.
Very clay floor. Very, very.
OK, et pour les chambres aussi, maintenant, on va garder les lits.
Pour le moment.
Pour le moment, we're gonna keep the beds for now.
Oui.
Yeah, for now? Okay. Making progress.
You want this thing?
No, I don't want
We're going to the market with wine and good times?
No. J'ai besoin de faire les cheveux. OK.
Ben oui, hein.
Oh, c'est dommage. OK. Bon vacances. Au revoir. Well, we could do, while Teddy's waiting, we could get new outdoor furniture maybe, you know?
Yep.
Do whatever we can.
Well, we're going to do a lot. We have tons of work
Yeah.
till April.
OK. Vous aimez ça? I said I like it parce que, regarde, c'est ancien, oui?
Oui, c'est ancien. À faire restaurer.
Yeah.
Restaurer.
Yeah, it's very broken though. It needs a lot of work.
Vous la voulez pas?
Non, il a dit non, c'est moche.
Mais une fois restauré, c'est joli.
Oui,
Yeah.
oui, but you have to repair everything.
Mais c'est le charme.
Mais bien sûr, c'est le charme.
needs to
Yeah,
be
he-
repair.
Et ça, il suffit de là, une vis.
He said it has a lot of charm.
Set it right there. I'll get it in there.
Okay. I'm going to give them the curtains too that are in the bedroom.
Or what, dear?
Now that I've had time to think about it,
Yeah.
I was just telling Noah this actually might be a blessing that Teddy can't start till April. Well, it is what it is. So
Yeah.
we have to look at it as a blessing.
I think it's going to be good. It's going to be good to go.
Maybe this will give us time.
Bonjour, maman.
Well, just carry this up. Here, it's okay. Just come and take this stuff. I'll take this. Just follow me up to the gîte.
Okay.
Here, I got it.
All right, making progress, making progress.
Yeah, we cleaned out a lot of the place. Look
The
at
morning
this.
was filled with bad news about Teddy, the stone magician, but we're going to turn that into good news.
Okay, why are you behind that plant?
We're going to make this delay work for us and take our time, do what we can.
You know, life throws curveballs, and we hit them out of the park.
What I always say, at least we have the house.
That's right. It'll all work out. Don't stress. Don't stress. All right, good. We got a lot of this out of here. Now tomorrow they come and take the big stuff.
We're going to go up here to the gîte to get all the other junk that's over here. And what do I always say? Let's look at that view. Okay. Can you tell I have a big smile on my face? The more that goes wrong, the more I smile. Maybe we could work on the gîte while Teddy is recovering. We could maybe renovate this place. Oh, I have to propose that to Noah. Hey, what about redoing the gîte while Teddy is sick? That's a possibility.
Yeah, it's a possibility. We have a lot. I think you're going to see we have a lot with all the other stuff with the with the electric, with the plumbing, with the tearing up the rooms, with doing the roof, with the windows. We have a lot of work down there.
Okay.
Yeah, if we run out of work for me, we'll do more.
What do they say? Clear room, clear mind. So we clear all this junk. We'll be able to think more clear. And here, I did want to expand these windows, but when I had the worker come and take a look, he said we could not expand the windows. Why? I don't know. I have to get a reason for that. Wrapping up for the day. Well, I should say the morning because it's still early morning. Getting all the stuff in the van. They're going to come back tomorrow, like we said, to pick up all the big stuff, and that will be a big help. And they're going to bring Momo, the muscle man, to help with all the heavy items.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Merci beaucoup.
Peut-être là demain.
Peut-être.
Merci, monsieur.
Mouah. 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 Merci.
Peut-être à demain.
Bonne journée, au revoir.
Allez, bonne journée. Au revoir.
Yeah, we have another appointment today at 5:30, 6 o'clock with the potential plumber. We're going to go back inside because Noah has a video appointment with a dermatologist. It is very hard to get an appointment with a dermatologist here. Little did we know. Every single dermatologist that I called for Noah is not taking new patients.
I guess skin isn't a problem here in France.
I don't think anything's a problem here in France. They just drink wine, eat cheese.
Look at that beautiful view, huh?
Are you talking about me?
I was actually, yes.
And hey, you know, April's not that far away. It's October already. We have the outside we can do. Get new furniture for that. I mean, not the outside facade, but we can get new furniture for the patio.
Gonna need to call a lumber jack to take down this tree, huh?
We can do that. We're gonna meet with Teddy on Saturday because then we can sit down with him and say what exactly do we need
That was
to
a
do.
joke, by the way, just in case you didn't get it. I don't need a lumberjack to cut down that tree.
Okay, for everyone watching, I have no idea really what needs to be done or how to do things. If you told me I needed a mason to do this, I'd be like, okay, but I'm learning.
All right, big day today here, Pia, at the house.
Big day.
This thing won't die. I've stopped watering it for a couple weeks. So I'm just gonna cut it off and then let it die and then I'll take it out. I don't think you wanna replant this somewhere, do you, Jenny?
No,
I mean, this thing's the bane of my existence.
I do love that light.
It's got such big prickers on it. Come take a look at this. Look at these deadly daggers. Look at those.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's deadly to touch.
But my mom laughs every time she sees this tree in here. And this is the corner where we're going to put like a little chaise lounge. It's going to be a little reading nook. A little library, some books on there.
Because I mean, in France, if you don't have a library, you don't have anything.
That's true. You need to have a library. That skylight is coming down. Marvin, the roofer, is coming on Monday, and he's going to start the roof, and that is coming off. But that skylight we will keep up there. Where did you find that saw?
One of the tools he left us.
You know,
All right, there it is.
it does have beautiful like pink flowers in the
Well, it's a little late now. All right, where's this plumber? It's time.
Yeah. Surprisingly, he's late.
Okay.
Which we've had good luck with workers so far. They usually show up early.
I'll find another project. Don't you worry. All right. Well, I was returning the saw. I meant to mention we have this beautiful ironwork bench here
I do love this.
that is really spectacular. I mean,
yeah.
it's beautiful.
But it's a little rusty though.
We're going to refinish this because this is a really nice piece. You see all the ornate work that's in here and the doves, and it's just gorgeous. Has a nice little side table. And then I was telling Jen, I had discovered down by the pool, which we'll head down to now, we found some really nice white, it's not really nice actually, it's just white metal furniture that was stored under the pool, and Jenny wanted to restore it. But I said to her, I said, even if we restore it, it's never going to look like that kind of piece. That piece is special. And we should be looking for special pieces to fill our wonderful French home. So when everyone comes to stay, they're like, oh, that's beautiful. This is not beautiful.
I like to restore vintage pieces.
Yeah, this isn't vintage and it's
You don't
not.
think it's salvageable?
No, take a look at it. It's just not a good design. Like, look at that. That's not nice. This is about as cheap as it gets.
Yeah.
So I think we have to throw this to the Salvation Army people or the thrift store, the church.
Okay.
Let someone else enjoy this, but I think we have to find something more ornate and intricate like that. That is special up there.
Now, I do love that bench down there.
Yeah, that's special as well. But
I
yeah,
do.
that's a really nice bench.
Yeah, that's nice. That's
You know, we haven't shown anyone down at the bottom of our property here. Should we walk down there and show them?
And you come down here to this other level.
And down here, we're going to build a beautiful, this way,
Pétanque.
pétanque court.
That's the traditional game here in Provence.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
It's almost like bocce, but it's the French version.
Yeah, so we have this. This is the end of our property, and right here over this is the little road. It doesn't get used very much because now the main road has come in. So, and down over here somewhere, I want to set up my my golf area. So it'll be nice.
I'll allow it. It's funny because everyone's saying how, oh, is Noah making all the decisions in the house?
Let me explain something to you folks. I haven't made one decision.
Everyone knows the woman has final choice in the house.
So this is a very nice bench.
Wait, the one choice I am allowing, and I say allow, are the doors, because I know how special that is to you.
Well, I think also because you heard a lot of people saying how much they like the doors.
That's true. The consensus is keep the wooden doors.
Yes.
All right, I think I hear the plumber. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Ah, machine. La évacuation. Machine.
Oui,
Il y avait une machine à laver là.
Oui, but I'm saying we can't.
Voilà, et ça prenait tout ça. Voilà.
Okay, we just wrapped up our evening with the plumber.
I'm just staring at the beautiful church up there.
Let
See
me zoom in on that.
with the cross lit up at night. Another reason why I wanted this house.
Yeah, it's really nice. All right, tell us about the
magical.
plumber, please. I know it's magical, but we got to get
We
going.
just met with Nicolas the plumber, who, young guy, great. I think he's going to give us a good estimate. The funny thing is, we got our first, oh la la.
Yeah.
When he looked at the piping, he's like, oh, c'est ancien. It's very old.
But luckily, the old piping is only for one little spot, so the rest of it should be okay.
I think we're in good standing.
Yeah.
He said it's going to be magnificent. He loved the charm of the house. He can't wait to come back for a grand déjeuner, a big lunch and a cafe after all the work.
That's right. And this was a long day, so we got a lot accomplished again. And
We're going to go have a little bite to eat.
that's right. We'll
A
see you tomorrow.
bientôt.
A bientôt.